Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 mini and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on settings button to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit down to find the camera. Now let's pick it so we can get access to advanced camera settings, and here we can find the use volume up for burst option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on or turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on, and when we move to the camera button now to this app, we can take the burst shot by tapping on volume up button here from the left. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, when we tap on it a little bit longer, we have the countdown, and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.